You hear me talk about productivity and how using automation and AI can help your business in a number of ways. Now, I want to share with you today some of my top 3 scheduling tools that help me schedule my business day and help me make sure that we are doing the right things. So the number 1 scheduling tool that I use, and I've been using in-house now for many years, is Acuity, which is our booking calendar system, or Squarespace scheduling as it's known from here. That allows me to make sure that my calendar talks to the booking calendar that my clients see. It allows me to be able to book in classes and do all of those sorts of things to help me work out from there. So Acuity scheduling or Squarespace scheduling or any other scheduling calendar that you look at is a really good tool to have to be able to come in. Make sure it talks back to your calendar, sends reminder emails, connects to your database, and does all of those sorts of things. And Acuity does all of that for me, which is why it's absolutely one of my favorites. The second scheduling tool that I love is ClickUp, which is our project manager, which allows me to schedule the tasks that I need to do, the tasks that the team needs to do, the projects that we're working on for our clients, and forecast and future forecast our workloads. So ClickUp is a good guide for me to be able to, something happens here, a task needs to be created, or I've got an idea here, a task needs to be created. And we have our checklists based on the different task types, which means that we can come back and make sure that we're following the processes and procedures along the way. So not only are we scheduling more effective and knowing what's coming up, but we also know what we need to do along the way as well. So ClickUp is another one of my top scheduling tools. And then my third favorite scheduling tool is MeetEdgar. It allows me to take the content that we create it in an evergreen format, the blogs we write, the videos we produce, all of that sort of stuff, and make sure that we're sharing it out to the social media channels on a regular basis. It means we create a blog post, we write all the promo for it, we load it. We create a course or promo, we load the promo so that we don't forget to market the stuff that we need to do. Because in business, it's so easy to get bogged down in the day-to-day and the extra stuff that we have to do that we forget to market our business. And MeetEdgar is that backup for us. It means that we've at least got something scheduled going out on a regular basis to our market. So there you go. There's 3 of my favorite scheduling tools that you can use within your business to automate a little bit about what you're doing and schedule along the way. If you want to dive into how we do these a little bit further, in the AI Async Automation Hub, you will find the workflows that we use when working with these tools. I hope it's helped you. Is there a scheduling tool out there that I need to know about that I don't? Please let me know in the comments. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and follow, and I look forward to engaging with you on more tools that you can use within your business.